Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use concatenate formula in Excel to combine data from multiple cells into one. Let's get started. I have this sample data in my worksheet. It shows the first name, last name and city of several people. We will use concatenate to join these values into a single sentence. In the fourth column, I want to display the full sentence like this. John Doe lives in New York. Let's write the concatenate formula to achieve that. Click on empty cell and type the following formula is equal concatenate text 1 John, comma, space, text 2, quotation marks, space, quotation marks close, comma, text 3 is Doe, last name Doe, then comma, space, text 4 is lives in, quotation marks, lives in, quotation marks close, comma, space, text 5 is city New York, comma, space, quotation marks, full stop, quotation marks close and bracket close. Now press enter. This formula combines the values from cell B9, C9 and D9 with spaces and text in between. The result will appear John Doe lives in New York. Now let's copy the formula down for the rest of the rows. Click on the button, right corner of the cell and drag the formula down to fill the rest of the rows. Now as you can see, we have combined all the values into complete sentences. And that's how easy it to use the concatenate function in Excel. You can combine any text from different cells and spaces, punctuations or words in between. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.